Echoes is an acoustic board. It is designed to reduce noise, reverberation, and echoes. Our acoustic boards are environmentally friendly as it is made from waste materials such as polystyrene, X-ray, cardboard, newspaper, yarn, and used clothes.
In certain areas, there is too much echo. For example, the corridors of schools. The echo from other classrooms can cause a disruption in your class. This board is to help absorb majority of the sounds, making it quieter and more peaceful, which creates an environment where others can focus. Besides schools, this can be put into libraries, lecture halls, gym rooms, and even music studios.
We have 8 steps in total for making the acoustic boards, from gathering materials to making the product and testing it. Firstly, we gather the recycled materials from our homes, such as styrofoam, egg trays, yarn, and cardboard.
Secondly, we start to make the stud glue in the laboratory. We added water into all-purpose flour and tapioca flour with drop of vinegar and salt, and then mix it together on a hot plate. Once the solution reaches a gluey consistency, we kept it inside clean container for later use.
Next step is to make the pulp. We tore apart egg trays and newspapers into small pieces, then added water and vinegar into it. As for the next step, we combined old photo frames and nets to make a pulp presser and use it to strain and squeeze out the excessive water in the pulp and form the rectangular shape of the acoustic board.
Next, we dry the pulp. We couldn't dry it under the sun due to unstable weather conditions, so the acoustic boards were dried in a laboratory oven overnight.
After that, we craft the board frame by wiping the polystyrene with newspaper, then cover it up with cardboard. For the last touches, we added a layer of fabric and decorate it with yarn. The yarn also served as the first sound scattering layer.
The last step is to test the acoustic boards. The boards were tested in 2 different situations. The first is with the sound playing in a box with the decibel counter placed outside of the box. The second situation is the same, but with the decibel counter placed beside the phone. For each situation, there are 3 parts, with no boards, with 1 board, and with 2 boards.
Here we show the results with the decibel counter placed outside the box. The maximum and minimum numbers of each parts are also shown. Here, the test with 2 boards show the least decibel count. Next are the ones with the decibel counter placed inside of the box. Once again, the test with 2 boards show the least decibel count. Hence, the more the amount of acoustic boards used, the better the echoes are reduced.
A special mention to a company that also used recycled materials to make acoustic boards, Arturo. They used recycled PET and ocean-bound plastics to utilize materials in a circular economy. The difference between our product with Arturo's and other acoustic board companies are more affordable for people with low budgets, using more commonly used waste materials, and more flexible decorating choices.
The benefits of Bye Echo is to reduce waste, especially recycled material and styrofoam, cost-friendly and improve conversation experience. It also contributes to nature by reducing waste and is eco-friendly.
Bye Echoes has great commercialization potential as it provides the freedom to style and decorate the acoustic boards with badges and decorative items. Other than that, it is also very cost-friendly.
This is the first time for our group's innovation is being introduced. So we don't have any prior awards and publications. As a conclusion, Bye Echoes is a more eco-friendly and cost-friendly acoustic board. To get better results for a greater scale, a greater number of Bye Echo board is recommended to cover at least half of the walls.